Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a blessed day, a great day, and just an all-around good day. Thanks for tuning in and watching my video. Hoping you guys are enjoying my videos that I put out so far. So today I am going to be doing a eye and lip tutorial. I am actually going to be trying to match it with my shirt. It's not the same exact color, but I'm going to be doing blue. I'm going to do blue eye and try to do a blue lip with a little bit of purple. So we'll see how that goes. But this video is for people that are like me. I am not a makeup artist. I just like how it looks. Y'all, sorry, I'm trying to get this sweat. It just keeps coming. And once again, my edges, just when I think I have them laid down, they pop out. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm not a makeup artist by any means. I just try to do what looks good, what looks decent, and it may not look the best, but at least I think it's pretty good. I think it's cute. So I'm just basically going to show you guys how I do it, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys. So I've already put concealer on my eyelid, as you can see, and I'll show you guys my palette. My daughter actually got this off of Amazon, so I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to be picking out some blues and through here, and a little bit of yellow that I'll be using. If I could get it together for y'all, that would be great. That would really be great. Okay, so I am going to be starting off with this dark color here. Almost looks black, but it's not. It's dark blue. And I'm just going to be kind of going in, brushing it, and blending it, fanning it out. Just a little more. Okay. I'm just shaking the camera. Let's see, then next I am going to be using a light blue. I think I'm going to do that color. For this one, I'm using this type of brush. Y'all, like I said, I don't do makeup regularly. I usually don't even wear makeup, to be honest. So yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a little bit of the yellow. I'm gonna put that up under my eyebrow. Using that type of brush. And getting my blending brush. And just kind of start blending together. Then I'm going to go in with the dark blue again. It's a little bit better with the yellow. And I'm gonna use my yellow again and just go over. And just a little bit in the corner. Just a little bit too. I don't know, y'all. I guess it's starting to come together, but I don't know. And I'm using my angled brush. What do you guys think so far? It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's not great. Let's blend the edges out here. And that's my thing. Trying to get both sides to match up can kind of be tricky. If this is not your thing, it can be tricky. Okay guys, I think that's pretty close, or as close as I can get it to where it's matching up. Next, I am gonna put my lashes on, and I do not normally wear lashes, so we're gonna see how this goes. It might take a couple tries for me to get it, but hey, we'll see what it's gonna look like. Alright, so the glue on here. And you make sure you want to let it dry just for a second, not forever, but you want to let it dry just a little bit. Yeah, I'm sorry I keep messing with my hair, but ugh. Y'all comment down below and tell me what you guys think so far. And also remember to hit that thumbs up, ring that bell, and subscribe to my channel. Please, please, and thank you. Alright, y'all. So here we go. And I use my tweezers to help lay it down better. Ugh, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is not my thing. I promise it's not. Look at this. Look at it. See what I tell y'all? But we're gonna try it again. I think that's better. I think it's a go now. I think. Oh. All right. This is a success. I'm telling you, it usually takes me 3 or 4 times to get it. Alright guys, so next is eyeliner. We'll see how bad my eyes water. It always waters whenever I do this. It either waters or my nose starts running. One of the two. Okay. Let's see. It's a little bit more. A little bit thicker. Okay. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure about this. I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit more blue over here. I think maybe just a little bit more. There we go. So next, we are gonna be doing. I am gonna be doing the lips. All right, guys. So next, I'm gonna be using these colors, and I actually did these colors, tried these colors out in a previous video. You guys go check that out, and yeah. So I'm gonna try to mix these together and see what that looks like. I do like how bright these colors are. How pigmented, I should say. Yeah. I'm gonna get it. Trying to do a little bit of the ombre effect. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. Comment below. Let me know. I think I kind of like it. I actually like the lips. I really do. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in again, checking out my video. I really appreciate it. You guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you guys for watching, Have a blessed day. Peace and love.